When offering a paid community, it's important for you, as a community manager, to determine a fair and reasonable price that covers the value of your time and effort into building connections, facilitating discussions, and providing valuable content. Here are the best benchmarks to consider when deciding how much to charge for a paid community. Research the average rates charged by community managers in your specific industry or niche. By examining what other community managers charge for similar services, you can gain insights into the market and set a competitive price. Consider factors such as the size of the community, the level of engagement, and the quality of content you will provide. To determine the price of a paid community, you should assess the unique value you bring to the table. Evaluate the specific benefits and features your community offers. It can be exclusive content, expert advice, networking opportunities, or access to industry insights. If you have a defined and tangible value, it becomes easier to justify higher pricing. As a community manager, you invest your resources in planning, moderating discussions, creating content, and maintaining member engagement. Consider the number of hours you dedicate to managing the community and the opportunity cost of not utilizing that time elsewhere. A good rule of thumb is to calculate the number of hours you dedicate to managing your community each week and multiply it by an hourly rate that you deem fair for your skills and expertise. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability for members and ensuring your efforts are adequately compensated. Let's say you're a community manager running a paid community for digital marketers. You researched industry standards and found that similar communities charge between $20 to $15 per month. Your community offers weekly live Q&A sessions with industry experts, in-depth educational resources, and a supportive networking environment. Based on these factors, you may decide to price your community subscription around $30 or provide a tangible benefit that your target audience will fear on missing out and price your subscription higher than $50. By taking these benchmarks into account, you can arrive at a fair and reasonable price that aligns with your market and fairly compensates you for all the time and effort you put into delivering value to your members. There is no one-size-fits-all formula to pricing a paid community. Once you come up with a price, always find a time to test and iterate your formula. You can use different strategies like launching your community subscription at an introductory price or offer a free trial period and actively monitor engagement, satisfaction levels, and conversion rates. Use data to refine and adjust your pricing based on real-time user feedback.